Today we're going to review how to store our files. First thing we need to know is our storage company is 17. Okay, and the next thing we need to know is each department needs to be assigned a customer number in the AR inquiry under company 17. To view your customer number or your department number, you go to 16, move to the C&S field, put a C. You can start with 1 and change your company to 17. It will display all the departments. Page down, I've started QFG at department or the customer or 36. AP, inventory, customer services 39. Okay, and the next thing that we need to do, if you don't have a customer number or department number, well, we're going to call it customer number, then please call QC or QS and we'll make one for you. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to assign a user to a company. We're going to bring ourselves out and we're going to go to the main menu. We're going to use authorized programs. I#net is the program to create a user or update a user. Company 17 is our storage company. Notice the different users that are created. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create another user. If I want to update a user, I can put a U, or I can even delete the user that way. I can update the user here. So we're going to pretend Denise was not here. I'm going to remove her. Then I'm going to reinstate her by F10. Also, if you haven't logged on in 90 days, this user will remove itself. 17. Our customer service was 39. Our ship to is always 1. I'm going to put Denise in. I'm going to give her an email address. You don't have to fill out the whole entire name because everything is done. Let's spell her name right. Everything is done by user on the website. Okay. You can make the password whatever you like it to be. I'm going to make it X. And the salesman's always 01. At this point, you need no other information. The order entry and these different other options are for our websites, for Ultra, QKD, Pros, for our customers. And you can press enter to store. I'm going to bring myself out. And the next thing we're going to teach you is we're going to teach you how to get the labels and the case numbers and the manifest to store our boxes. We can produce that through number 9, authorized programs. And the program name is called LB for label, SG for storage, and you press enter. Remember, not your regular company that you default to, it's company 17. How many labels you want? Notice it's 3 digits. If you do a 1, you could make 100 labels. So we're just going to do 003. Sato printer, it's the printer that produces labels, the large labels. You have one in your mailroom and it's Y #. My printer happens to be Y9. Manifest printer is like an info printer or Lexmark printer. And mine happens to be D5. I believe yours is #2 up on the 2nd floor. Once you have the labels and you have your manifest, then you can proceed to store your box. I'm going to show you what the manifest and the label looks like. This is actually a label adhered to the manifest for your view only. This would actually go on the box, and notice this label is the same number. And you can put your information here. If you happen to lose your manifest, you can log on to the website and it'll list everything you have. So no worries about losing a manifest. Okay, now we're going to proceed and store one of our boxes. To find the website or find information about the storage, you can go into 21, frequently asked questions. If you type the word storage right in the search and press enter, page down once, you'll notice here's all the information about the storage. Notice this one here happens to be what site I go on. You can view it and you can double click onto the link and it'll bring you right into the storage. Okay, we press sign in up at the top. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use Denise. Okay. use Denise and make sure I have the password, and I'm going to log in. So I have the box numbers and my manifest in front of me. When you first log in, you're in the lookup storage. Notice it up here. This is lookup and to retrieve, if you want to retrieve our box, notice I have added a box. Okay, I'm going to add to the storage company. This box type, the white boxes that are purchased for you, the storage boxes, they're always this size. But you can store other sizes. But we typically in the office only store the boxes. From our manifest or our label, we'll put our new box in. You must put it in both spots. If you have a number for your box yourself, maybe a batch number, you can use that. The description of the box. Let's use Kohl's POs test video. So if we have to store this box, they'll know that it's not really a Kohl's PO. File span, I'm going to say June 2019. You can put whatever file span. These are just anything that you'd like. If you have a start and a stop date, if you want to start it today, you just leave it blank. If you want to end it and have it destroyed, you can do that and have it destroyed at the end date. Here's a destruction date. If you don't put anything, you can pick and choose when you want to retrieve it or destroy it. And we're going to click add. It brings the box down. And now what we want to do is we want to have the retrieval. We want to have the warehouse manager come and get the box. Okay, you can do 20 boxes and then hit your checkout. We're going to just do the one for now. Okay, our pickup point is already established. If you have other pickup points in the warehouse that's under customer service, say one's on the second floor, one's on the third floor, you can create another ship to under your customer number or your what we call department number, and you can have them pick it up somewhere else. Then you select your location. Okay. Now you can place a message here. It's near Denise's desk. You can put a PO. It's optional. You don't need to. Okay, just leave it on no charge. And then what we want to do is we want to select it and place the order. Basically what that does is it alerts the warehouse that there's a box waiting for them to pick up, and they'll retrieve it within 48 hours. You place your order. You get an order number just like an order number in the AS400, and this is under company 17. And that is also an additional way you can keep track of your boxes. If you have any questions, please call Sandy, 631-439-2148. Thanks.